Don't gossip. Work on your life. Don't gossip. Work on your life. At the corner you always gather, talking about the neighbors. Some keep watching, looking for what's wrong with others. Whoever has a new motorcycle is the first one talked about. But when it's about work, no one has anything to contribute. Don't gossip, work on your life. Don't be nosy, that won't make you progress. If you get jealous, it's better that you work hard, because happiness can't be gained from putting others down. And Day has new clothes and you always notice. You say right away, that brand is surely fake. But the truth is she worked hard for it, paying month after month. While you're there, always talking, don't even know your plans in life. If you want a good life, don't meddle with others. Put your energy into your dreams, because you can't win the world with gossip alone. Don't gossip, work on your life. Don't be overly watchful, work on your dreams, man. If you get jealous, make it your inspiration, not your enemy, because all of us just want progress. Gossip is really nothing useless. It's better to work, because that gives you a good future.